Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bybit app and Binance as well, and also you have already verified yourself. So now right after that, once you open the Bybit app, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bybit on the screen. So now if you want to transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit, then you can see there is assets option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard, which is distinguishable by its wallet icon. So let's tap on that wallet icon. And now you can see there is deposit option at the left side of the withdraw. So let's tap on the deposit. And now you can see there is three options available in here: buy with NPR, P2P trading, and last one is deposit crypto. So you need to select the last one, which is deposit crypto. So once you do that, we need a USDT, right? So you need to select the USDT, but if you don't find, then you simply need to tap on the search bar and you can search USDT from here. So let's search for the USDT and done. And you can see there's two options in here. Simply tap on the USDT, Tether USDT. So once you do that, you can see there is lots of network available in here. So let's choose any of them. Let's choose BSC BP20, which basically stands for Binance Smart Chain. So let's tap on the BP20 and let me tap on the OK. You can see I haven't verified myself, that's why it is asking me to verify me. So let me close this one, and in this section you will be able to see your wallet address of your USDT. So let's say I assume that you have already copied the address. Now let's open the Binance. So once you open the Binance, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen, right? So now you can see there is wallets option at the bottom right corner. Let's tap on the wallets and let's tap on the withdraw. So once you tap on the withdraw, but yeah, make sure you are in the overview section rather than funding or spot. So let's tap on the withdraw for now and let's tap on the withdraw. So you can see there is two options in here: P2P trading and another one is withdraw. So let's tap on the withdraw again. And finally we need to search for the USDT. So let's tap, or you can also search in the USDT, but let me tap on the USDT in here. So now we need a send via crypto network option. So let's tap on this one, first one. So once you complete all the things, now finally you can see we need to paste our address in here, which we copied before from the Bybit. And now you need to select the network. Make sure the networks must be same. So you can see BNB Smart Chain BB20. So let's select the second one. So once you do that, you simply need to enter the amount. Let's say 100 for now, just to show you a demo. So once everything's done, simply tap on the withdraw, and yeah, you will be able to transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit successfully. So basically this is the process. You will be able to transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.